morning students, 10th standard maths, chapter 2, numbers and sequences, exercise 2.4 continuation. In the previous class, we learned sequence given 3 methods are learned. First method is a sequence are given, find the next 3 terms, and then general term, and the next one is a general term given, find the first 5 terms, find out the previous class only learned. This class, so second question, find the indicated terms of the sequences whose nth terms are given by an equal to minus within bracket n square minus 4, a4 and a11. So middle of the terms only given a4 and it's not continuation term, middle terms a4 and then a11. So that terms number of element only find out this question. So first n equal to 4 only given, substitute this general form, a4 equal to minus, so the square bracket, right, n value, what is n value, so 4 square minus 4, close the bracket, so minus 4 4s are 16 minus 4 equal to minus 16 minus 4 equal to 12 only, within bracket outside is a minus symbol given, 1 minus 12 means write down the symbol, is a minus 12. So answer a4 equal to number of element equal to minus 12. Next one is a a11. Substitute this general form, minus within bracket, what is the n value, is 11 only, 11 square minus 4, close the bracket, minus 11 11s are 121 minus 4 equal to minus within bracket, so 11 minus 4 is a 7 only, 1 1, bracket outside 1 minus given means sign is a minus 170. So a11 equal to minus 117. Fifth question, find a8 and a15 whose nth term is an equal to within bracket, so general term are given n square minus 1 by n plus 3. If n is even, n belongs to capital N. Next one is a n square by 2n plus 1, n is odd, n belongs to n. First of all, so what are the terms are given, find out the number of elements, is a a8 and then a15. So two general terms are given, a8, so 8 is a even term, so even means apply the general term is a first term only, but n belongs to capital natural numbers only, so 8 is a even term, apply the first term, general form, and then a15, 15 is a odd term, so apply the second one, general form only. So substitute the value, first one is a a8 equal to 8 is even. So apply this general form, n square minus 1 divided by n plus 3. Substitute this value, n equal to 8 only, so n equal to 8. So 8 square minus 1 divided by 8 plus 3. So 8 equal to 8 square is a 64 minus 1 divided by 8 plus 3, 11. So answer a8 equal to 64 minus 1 is a 63 divided by 11. That a8 is a element equal to 63 by 11. Next one, a15. So n equal to 15 is odd only. So odd means you apply the general term is a second term only. a15 equal to n square divided by 2n plus 1. So what is the n value, is a 15. 15 square divided by 2 into n value, 2 bracket 15 plus 1 equal to 15 15s are 225 divided by 2 15s are 30 plus 1. So answer a15 equal to 225 divided by 31. Sixth question, if a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 1 and an equal to 2an minus 1 plus an minus 2, n greater than or equal to 3, n belongs to n, then find the first 6 terms of the sequence. So a1 value given, a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 1 already given for this question, then an general form given, what is the value, n greater than or equal to 3, n belongs to n. So what are the, find the 6 terms. So already 2 terms are given. find the n equal to greater than or 3 means equal to 3 means included by 3 also. So 3, 4, 5, 6. First 6 terms only. So substitute this value. First value is a an general term. An equal to 2an minus 1 plus an minus 2. Okay, first value is a3. Third term only find out. A3 equal to 2a3 minus 1 plus a3 minus 2 equal to 2a3 minus 1 equal to 2 plus a3 minus 2 equal to 1. So 2 a2 already given for the value. What is the element? A2 equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus a1 equal to 1. So 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So a3 equal to, what is the value? Is a3 equal to 3 only, find out. Next term is a a4. So a4 equal to 2a. What is the n value? It's a 4 minus 1 plus a4 minus 2 equal to 2a. 4 minus 1 is a 3 plus a4 minus 2 is a 2 equal to 2 into a3 value plus a2 value. What is the a3 value? Is a 3 plus a2 value equal to 1. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 equal to, what is the answer? A4 equal to 7. And next one is a find out A5. So A5 equal to 2 into A. N minus 1 is a 5 minus 1 plus A 5 minus 2 equal to 2 into A. 5 minus 1 is a 4 plus A 5 minus 2 is a 3. So 2 into, what is the A4 value? Is a 7 plus A3, what is the value? Is a 3. So 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3. So A5 equal to 17. Next one, find the last term, sixth term is a A6. A6 equal to 2A 6 minus 1 plus A 6 minus 2 equal to 2A 6 minus 1 is a 5. 2A5 plus A 6 minus 2 is a A4. Substitute the value 2 into, what is the A5 value? 17, close the bracket, plus what is A4? Is a 7. So equal to 17 2s are 34 plus 7 equal to, what is the answer? 7 plus 4 41. So A6 equal to answer 41. So what is the first 6 terms? A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 1, then A3 equal to 3, A4 equal to 7, A5 equal to 17, and then A6 equal to 41. Example 2.19. Find the next 3 terms of the sequences. So second question. 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, etc. So see, the first term is a 5, second term 2, this one is a third term minus 1, minus 4. Then see the next term, the elements are degrees only. 5, the next term is a 2, so degrees of the term 2, then after the term is a minus 1, next term is a minus 4. So you apply the 4 operation symbols, any one symbol, so apply and find out the next 3 terms. Okay, what are the symbols for apply? See the sum. 5, next term is a degrees only. So which of the term is subtract this answer? Second term only find out. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Okay, the next one is a 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 means 3 minus 2 is a 1. It's a big number and it's a minus 1. So first one and second term. So each term is decreased by minus 3, and then next term also decreased by minus 3. So each term is decreased by minus 3. Okay, so first 4 terms are given. Find the next 3 terms only, find out. So what is the fourth term given? Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 equal to, what is the answer? Same sign given, like sign given means add the term. 4 minus 3, 4 plus 3 is a 7. Sign is the same sign only, minus 7. The next term, minus 7 minus 3 equal to 7 plus 3, 10. Sign is a minus 10. The next one, minus 10 minus 3 equal to 13. Put the sign is the same sign only, so minus 13. So write down then the next 3 terms are, what are the next 3 terms? Minus 7 comma minus 10 comma minus 13. So third question, find the next 3 terms of the following sequence: 1 comma 0.1 comma 0.01 up to etc. So what are the first number is natural numbers 1. The next second term is a 0.1 decimal number given. Then third term also 0.01. So both the terms are decimals only given. So apply the 4 operation symbols. So what are the symbol applied? So multiple decimal number given means you divide the term only. So 1 decimal, next term is a 1 decimal point. So each term, first term is a divided by 10. So see the term 1 divided by 10. So what is the answer? Multiple means a decimal point, move the decimal point in right hand side. So divide means it's a decimal point, move the decimal point in left hand side. So 1 zero given means 1 decimal point move. 2 zeros means 2 decimal point in left hand side move. So 1 decimal point, put the point in here only. So what is the answer? 0.1 before the term is not given for the term means it's a 0 only mentioned. So answer 0.1. Okay, see the next term 0.1 divided by 10. Okay, 1 zeros are given, move the decimal point, 1 decimal point move in left side. So what is the answer? 0.01. See the next term. Okay, so each term is divided by 10 only. So each term divided by 10. Then find out the next 3 terms. Okay, and then third term, what is the third term given? 0.01 divided by 10. So 1 decimal point, move the decimal point in left hand side 1 decimal point. So what is the answer? 0.001 is the fourth term. The next one, 0.001 divided by 10 equal to, move the decimal point in one place in left side. So what is the answer? 0.0001. Okay, is the fifth term. Next one, 0.0001 divided by 10. Okay, move the decimal point, 1 decimal point. So what is the answer? 0. How many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the next 3 terms are, what are the term? So 1 comma 0.1 comma 0.01 comma, what is the next term? 0.001 comma, next term 0.0001 comma, next term last 0.00001. Students, today's homework. Fourth question, find the indicator terms of the sequences whose nth terms are given by an equal to 5n divided by n plus 2. You find out the a6 and a13